seats. They're all going that way, babe. Sarah, Summer? Savali, yeah? What's your name, buddy?
Edgar.
Hello, Edgar. All right. It's 4th of July, 2016, and we're going to see some fireworks.
2017.
16. All right, girls, grab a seat. Get ready for the show. Edgar, you want to sit there with the girls? Edgar, that's Summer, and that's Sarah, and that's Brenda. Do you see how many fireworks we got over here? Just let's take a look at all this real quick so we can see how silly we decided to be. Oh yeah. Silliness will ensue. Can't wait to see one of those behemoths, but let's go ahead and light up some. You know what? Let's go ahead and light up one of the behemoths real quick. Let's get that thing downstairs, over there, facing that way. 1 second, and yeah, let's go ahead and light up one of those Roman candles real quick. That one you got stuck in there right now, why not? Here's your phone, boss. Hey buddy, here you go, man. Whoa, 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 man. Let's go keep that away from there. Give me 1 second.
Oh, that's good. Let's try one of the big ones.
All right, girls, you're gonna light up one of the big boys, the behemoth. Let's go tilt that a little bit more so that way. So this one's facing towards us. You sure you leave that on?
Yeah, that stays on. That stays on.
All right.
I want to brace it.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
So let's brace it. So acidity.
You think maybe just tilt it up a little bit more that way?
Alright,
Yeah, just to make sure we don't get it anywhere near the kids. Alright, let me see it. Where's the, see it?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'll do it, man.
No problem.
I'll do it. Alright, girls. This the behemoth.
Get some speed.
Whoa! Let's get back. Yes, sir, man. You guys want to come up here? Let's go up there. Come on.
Very cool what you guys are doing. Very cool.
All good, buddy. What do you think, girls?
This is so much fun.
Sarah, stay with me. Come here. Summer, come here. Woohoo! with me. Over here. Sarah, right over here. Come here.
Go this way.
Go around. Summer. Summer, come here. What do you think?
I like them, but they're noisy.
Oh yeah, they're noisy. Come here, Sarah. Stand with us. Come here, sweetie. They're about to live some big ones. But Sarah, stay here with me. They're not going to come and get you. They're all over there. You want to sit on the chair? Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
How did that happen?
Roman candles, baby. That's why you don't hold them.
Which one was that?
Roman candle. Oh, that was probably a behemoth. Sarah, what do you think?
Is it too loud for you?
Bottle rockets. Something like that.
I'm so glad it's somebody else doing these shows. Is there fire on the sand? No. What do you think all the sand crabs and all the fishes are saying?
What do you think, Edgar? Uh-oh. We have our own 4th of July show. Woo! Yeah!
Brought to you west to Bahamas.
What'd you say, Summer? Is it awesome? Sarah, you gotta come look. You got another behemoth?
So much more.
Much better than Atlantis.
Much better.
Especially because we don't have to be it. Oh, there it goes! Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. They're like, are there any stragglers? Anything left? Got any live grenades out there?
Sir, at one point, one of the fireworks was shooting sideways.
Oh, I saw the ones going over there. Like, yeah.
Dangerous.
Oops.
Just put some sand on it.
Yeah, man, it's okay. As long as there's anything to burn out there, you know?
Yeah. No, that way's fine. But imagine it turned, if once it falls on the side, right? It starts just turning. Woohoo!
I remember I used to hold those Roman candles. Not these days.
Yeah. No, when you have kids, that's, you start thinking.
Summer, look. Oh.
Are they done with all of them yet? Oh no. No, there's more. Here's inside. I like the pretty ones.
I think they probably lit most of those up so far.
They don't care about safety much.
No, not so much.
Just go for it.
For me, that would be in the sand, and I'd be back over here. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like I think about 100 of those bottle rockets. I was telling my wife that when I was a kid, we used to use those and have little wars in the neighborhood and shoot them at each other. We did.
Yeah, you'll do that.
Not a good idea.
Yeah. Things changed now.
Yeah, just a little bit, man.
Our kids go on play dates only, no one goes.
Yeah, no, yeah, no. Yeah, right. Play dates,
Yeah,
exactly.
now you have to arrange it, right?
Well, babe, was that 4th of July for you?
That was awesome.
Summer, you go with 4th of July? Sarah! Where'd Sarah go? Oh. Well, guys, I gotta tell you, that's 4th of July ish, you know,
That's amazing.
Bahama style.
Happy 4th of July. Thanks for
Thank you, sir.
Cool.